To manage Android devices with full control, they need to be enrolled in what is called Device Owner Mode. Device Owner Mode can be achieved using Android for Enterprise. Click on Edit and enter your Wi-Fi data for enrollment, and click on Save. A QR code has been created. Click on Enroll Device, select Android, select Full, enter the email address of the intended device user, and click on Next. You can now scan the QR code to start the enrollment of the device. If you want to enroll a device first and select the user later, click on Android Enterprise and scan the QR code. How is this done? Turn on the new or factory reset device, tap the screen 6 times at the welcome screen, and a QR code reader will appear. Read the QR code and click on Accept and Continue. The setup is underway. After a few moments, the device has connected to Miradore Online. You can now see the device by clicking on Devices. Double-click on the device, select Settings, click on Edit, assign a user, and click on Save. A notification will appear on the device for a request to create a managed Google Play account. Depending on the device model, this may take anywhere between 1 second to several minutes. By clicking on Action Log, you can see whether the creation of the managed Google Play account has been completed successfully. Now the device is ready for application deployment via the managed Google Play Store. There are additional options for enrolling your Android devices into Device Owner Mode. You can enroll devices via NFC by using the Miradore NFC provisioning app. You can also use a DPC token. Find more information from the QR code below. Or you can use mass enrollment programs such as Android Zero Touch and Knox Mobile Enrollment. You will find more information about these two programs from the QR code below.